Today try to get solution for some any questions. And now we can see this question and how to update it to Excel row data to Excel column. User have input data table column and that row all values splitted based on the new line. So we also using the same concept for splitted this data table via LinQ. Okay, and now go to the UiPath Studio. I read that input file and I assigned the DT input data table, and I created one build data table. Here 6 column I created, and uh, I assigned the DT output data table, and the same data table I call as well. And here we go to write that LinQ. LinQ have two method. One is query method and function method. Now I go to query method. So here from rows, this is a temporary variable. We can create any name like your name, user, or whatever you want to use it, the item, whatever you want you can create it here. Now I use the rows and in dt input and convert to enumerable. And once enumerable, then I created one more temporary variable here late, and I put the a, that is the temporary variable column, that variable name. And now um, call that rows and column name. What is the column name? Input data table. I just copy and paste it here, and to string dot trim. This is our value. So now we want to split that value based on the new line. So I use split function and assign that our string value here. Split function here vblf. This is a new line, call this, and assign to array. So my temporary variable now variable type is array, and here select dt, my output dt, and clone it. And so I go to add via row wise, so I call row and add. Now I assign that the temporary variable. This is the array, so I can assign that array directly. Just now I am surrounded in copy to data table. Now click OK. Everything is fine. So I go to write it again. I write that value same Excel file, and sheet name. The input is 15. Now I output is a keep on 16, and call that output dt. Enough. So just I save and closed it. Now run this project. Yeah, successfully run it. So I go to check that input file. Sorry, 16. Here we can able to see that all the value based on that new line. This is the input file. This is the output file. Thank you for watching.